Alrighty, a Weather Authority alert day is in effect for tomorrow, Friday, July 5th, because we will see some oppressive heat across parts of Lynchburg, the Roanoke Valley, and South Side. The Highlands and the NRV will also be very hot, but they won't be seeing heat index or feels like temperatures above the 100-degree mark. Now, on top of the heat, we're also tracking the potential for some strong storms, some of which could be severe. And then the main threat with those would be damaging winds, perhaps some isolated small hail embedded in some of the cells as well. High temperatures for tomorrow across the Roanoke Valley, 95 for Roanoke, Rocky Mount, also getting into Botetourt like Daleville and Fincastle. Covington gets to 94, Lexington 93, Lynchburg 97, Danville 98, South Boston and Martinsville 96 to 97, while Alta Vista is at 96 as well. The NRV anywhere from about 84 to 90 degrees. Parts of Grayson, Carroll County, you guys will be in the mid 80s or so. Heat index values will be about 90 to 95. So I just showed you temperatures in the NRV anywhere from about 85 to 90, at about 5 degrees on top of the heat. When you do that across the area, the Highlands will feel close to 100 degrees at times, the Roanoke Valley close to 105, Lynchburg and Southside close to 106 degrees as per the National Weather Service. So there is a heat advisory in effect for Pittsylvania, Franklin, Henry, Patrick, Campbell, Nelson, Charlotte counties. All of you guys are under a heat advisory for tomorrow. All right, and the last time we saw this, actually the first time we're seeing this summer is purple on the map for our heat risk. So that means limit your time outdoors, especially if you have heat-related illnesses or have any sort of cardiovascular issues, anything heart-related. Please limit your time outside tomorrow. Also, hydrate plenty if you will be outside. I know today was July 4th. A lot of us have the extended weekend, a day off tomorrow. If you're headed out to the lake, definitely be in the shade if you can and pack plenty of water. On top of the heat, a severe risk. Marginal 1 out of 5. Going to be basically a copy and paste forecast from what we saw earlier today. Showers start to pop around 12 to our west. Then by 1 p.m. they start to develop and then build in to the area. The flow is going to be primarily out of the south and west. That's bringing in that humid and warm air. By 4 or 5 p.m. we're starting to see that scattered showers start to build in. By 7, a lot of the activity begins to push off to the west. So then parts of the NRV and the Roanoke Valley are dealing with some lighter rain. Notice 10 p.m. down here, some heavy pockets of rain still building into parts of South Side. So the forecast is shifted about 2 hours later in the day. By 12 a.m., going to start to wrap up on that rain, going to stay mostly cloudy. And again, we need all the rain we can get because we are under a severe to moderate drought in some of the area. As per right now, temperatures anywhere from 73 to 77 degrees. Overnight low is going to be anywhere from about 65 to 72 degrees. So going to stay muggy out there. Then the latest information on Hurricane Beryl came out just moments ago at 11 p.m. Next track will come out in a couple of hours, but winds back up to about 115, so category 3. Hurricane status restored, but as we have a look at the cone, it's expected to weaken as it goes over the Yucatan Peninsula later tomorrow. And eventually into the weekend, it'll get back into the Gulf of Mexico. Here's a last look at your extended forecast. Again, alert day in effect for tomorrow because of the heat and the potential for some strong to severe storms.